We at WOW Ride Design Group were thrilled with the potential opportunity to work with Kings Point Park. Kings Point has been on the cutting edge of amusement park industry for decades. We believe that our ride will be the perfect family attraction, and it will be the next innovation for Kings Point. Guests begin their experience as they approach the newly refurbished Soaring Aces Ride building. We completely rethemed the building to be the main shipping hub for the Great Lakes Transportation Company. GLTC has a storied past built upon the reputation of consistent and reliable delivery of goods to all corners of the Great Lakes region. However, the company struggled to cope with the economic conditions of the 1970s. Now the year is 1976, and strange occurrences have been happening out on Lake Erie. This has prompted the local governments to suspend all passenger transportation on the lake. In an attempt to get some additional cash, GLTC decided to repurpose one of their shipping boats into a passenger cruise ship in order to capitalize on the demand for Lake Erie sightseeing tours. Since the boat retains the appearance of a shipping vessel, GLTC will be able to bypass the Coast Guard checkpoints that are enforcing the passenger transportation ban. Passengers board the boat and are initially forced below deck in our pre-show room to be hidden out of sight from the Coast Guard checkpoint. Once the boat clears the checkpoint, the guests meet the captain of our ship, Cody Combs. Cody is an experienced captain with over 40 years of experience on the Great Lakes. He assures guests that in his 40 years, he has not seen anything out of the ordinary out on the lake. Soon thereafter, the TVs go black and then they turn back on to static as the lights in the room flicker. A distressed Cody Combs comes over a loudspeaker instructing all guests that there is an emergency on board and they need to abandon the ship. The large door at the front of the room will now open and guests will proceed forward into the station and out onto the lifeboats. The lifeboats, which are ride vehicles, pull out of the station and into darkness. Right out of the station, the boats will load onto the first of its kind drop track on a water attraction. The drop track will simulate the lifeboats being lowered from the main ship into the waters of Lake Erie. Throughout the adventure, Cody Combs will communicate with the lifeboats via onboard audio that syncs up with track and theming elements on the ride. The lifeboats will encounter many strange occurrences, including sudden changes of direction, heavy fog, weather effects, a creepy cave, and even multiple accelerations before being able to return safely back to the harbor. We really hope you enjoy the Erie adventure.